If I'm starting a YouTube channel, I should go deep into that and let's say have 500,000 hypothetically subscribers on one YouTube, or is it better or more relevant to have 1.5 lakhs on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and on YouTube? So width versus depth, what's your call?
Let's learn from nature.
Yeah.
Let's take example of Ganga. What do you think? Ganga is deep or she is wide?
Both.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's my answer.
All right.
Right?
All right.
You have to be wide where it is required to be wide, and you have to go deep when you have to go deep. Right? So this is how it has to be. Obviously, you cannot be having shallow knowledge of what you're sharing.
Right.
You have to have in-depth knowledge.
Right.
However, don't get motivated or demotivated by number of subscribers or followers you have. If in audience today, if we have 2 people today, I'm extremely motivated.
Absolutely.
And say that, listen guys, I'm here. And you give me like 20,000 people, I'll have the same energy. Right? I will not tell you that, dude, you called me all the way from like Bangalore and what is this and only 2 people. No.
Yeah.
I'm fine sitting chatting with you.
Yeah.
Right? So it has to be that passion, that energy.
Right.
And I keep telling anybody, if you want to start content creation, you have to put your head down and work for 700 days minimum. You have to produce at least 300 to 400 videos minimum.
Right.
Then go ahead and ask yourself question, am I doing great or not? Otherwise, you don't even have a right to ask a question to yourself.
Right.
Whether you're doing it or you've not put 10,000 hours.
Right.
If you've not put that many hours, then you're not good enough.